Hello, doctor. How are you?
Fine, sir.
So great occasion to meet again.
Yes, yes, sir.
So
Obviously.
I bring all the wishes and greetings from all the faculties of Speed and the entire Speed team to you, to Dr. Sangram Patro for scoring rank number 5 in MCH, Surgical Oncology, in INSS AIM session 2021.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
So I think
Yes,
you
sir.
have done it. You have done it.
Still, I'm not able to believe it, sir. It's like it's taking time to sink in.
Fantastic. So can we know something about background of your medical career? Where did you do your medicine, MS, and all that from?
My background, sir. I belong to, sir, Odisha, sir. Koraput district. I belong to there. I have done my undergraduate in MKCG Medical College, sir, Parampur. I passed out in 2016. Then I got in like post graduation. I have done in JIPMER, sir.
Fantastic.
Yes, sir. JIPMER I have done from 2017. I passed out last year, sir, 2020 July now. Then I worked for some time, some around 3 to 4 to 5 months in a local hospital, sir. Then I started preparing full-fledged. Actually, 1 year preparation. This went on for too long, sir. Actually, the exams were going on delayed, and
yeah, correct. Exactly. It has got delayed. Now, can you tell me something about your preparation strategies? What did you do? How did you study? How many hours you studied? Can you brief on that?
Preparation strategy, sir. Initially, when I consulted my seniors, like I came to know about speed. Then when I like after I got I took the subscription. Then initially I didn't have any idea how to prepare actually. But I had prepared general surgery. I had read something, but I couldn't read much of the time in my residency. Actually, it was a bit hectic. So actually after that initially after the subscription I started on seeing videos, attended classes, then that gave me a direction, sir, to actually how to start and where to start, how to read the books, how to go through the books. Actually the videos have like had a great impact on me, sir. Like I'm very grateful like to use it is like I can never thank you enough. That is a different aspect, sir. But that surgical oncology like faculties like Karthikeyan sir, Ravi Shankar sir, Gurumurthy sir, everybody like classes are very good, sir. After that, after seeing the videos, I got to know like where to start and how to read, how much to read. Soon I realized that it is not a like one time or two time. We have to go on as many times as we can. Like keep on like the mistakes kept on getting repeated until one point it will come okay. Like yeah, I have done this time. It is correct. And general surgery classes are your your energy is driving the I think a lot of students, right? It's not only me, but it's the whole institute is run by your it seems kind of your energy is running this. You are fuel, sir. Your energy is the fuel actually. Very like always whenever I go down I see your videos like get like get motivation or keep getting motivated and carry on preparations, sir. Like the gross summary is this much only, sir, of my preparation.
So did you read Devita?
Devita, sir. Yeah, sir. I took on a full year, so I had read important chapters of Devita. Underwent through all the tables and images, sir. I think tables will be like tables will do classes images that are there, and the revision classes are very much helpful. And this this thing is there, sir. These tables are very much like will be helpful, sir, rather than the text.
So now I think now you will be in AIMS Delhi. I believe that you will go to Hello?
Yes, sir. No, sir, but
Yeah.
like seats, there are only 2 seats for AIMS Delhi, sir, surgical oncology.
Okay. So what are the chances?
Chances of getting Delhi are low, sir, but getting peripheral AIMS like Bhubaneswar or Jodhpur, maybe there. Can't say. Depends on the students above me, how they take, what institutions they prefer. Based on that, I will get the institutes of like.
Very, very true. Very true. I think you need to kind of wait for a couple of more days. Then definitely things will be fine. But anyway, I mean, whatever the specialty want, what you were to land, everything has been accomplished. I'm thoroughly happy and for what you have done. And
Great thanks to Speed, sir. Never thank enough actually. This is a like my preparation was there, but the background was like videos and your classes and also. They were very much helpful. Classes actually, sir, I have seen the transition. Like previously, they used to conduct only super specialty questions while they were conducting AIMS entrance. But now they are like it's mixed general surgery and surgical oncology. So the depth has like a bit come down, sir.
correct. What you say is correct.
Yes,
Now, how many questions did you attend in NESS?
I have attended, sir, 75 questions. The questions which I had no clue, I tried to leave them. Or were very confusing, like baffled my mind at that state of, that were very disturbing to the state of mind. I left those questions.
I think the number of questions makes a great deal. I think because I mean, from morning I was listening to this number of questions, and
yes, sir. Very sure.
Those who attend maximum number, they score topmost rank in 10. That's my conclusion today. I've made so many interviews today, but what I have listened to those people who have taken more risk, I've been more benefited. That's what I could see. And now I want to ask you, what will be your advice to our juniors, those who want to aspire for surgical oncology? What you will tell them to do?
Like, if I would go for advice, I cannot like specifically point out any typical advice for like juniors, but I will say that the only like key behind whatever like we have to achieve is the continuous like perseverance and persistence, which we have to go on with. We have to keep on carrying. Like if we like we have not to let our confidence down. That's the main thing. That's the only way. Whatever we have to read, we have to know. First of all, we have to know how much to read, what to read. Then keep on working the same. Like mistakes will happen till the last time, but yeah, you have to be there. We have to be patient until the time comes.
So the continuous, persistent hard work and persistence in the attitude and perseverance, yes, I think is a key to success for most of the competitive exams. And I'm very happy that not only the faculty team, they have accomplished their job, but also the students have made a beautiful turnaround of the two things which happened: time delay and a lot of confusion. In spite of all that, the entire team coped up and made a very good attempt, and results were amazing because of their sincerity and persistence I had. So I will always believe that it will work. I always had a thought process that it will work, and it has.
And that works. That works. This is the proof. That works.
Yeah, it works. So even before the exams, that is our ideology. That
the last point, we have to be the constant, sir. We have not to get disturbed. That's the key point behind.
Yes. So it's good, and I really congratulate you once again. And this new year is an amazing year for you and to your family. I wish you a very, very happy and a fabulous new year to you, to your family members, to friends and relatives. Hats off to you for the way
you the same.
The way you have your journey up in the medical career as a surgeon. Phenomenal. Great. Keep going. Keep going. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.